Well, I'm back from the swap meet, and well, it was kind of a dismal showing. For something they had advertised for about 2 or 3 months, there wasn't hardly anything there compared to some others, even in some other cities that are actually even smaller. They used to have, my brother went to one where in Loomis where it was just solid. It's all kinds of people. This one here, I think what happened was it was actually too early in the morning when it started, and a lot of, which means really just be a lot of local guys would probably show up. And I mean, I met guys who we knew down at Hammond Hi-Fi, but even then, there wasn't that many people there. So, but anyhow, I got some video of it, so you're going to see that here. And I just wanted to go ahead and do this little lead-in for you. And there was stuff being sold there, but it's just, you know, not really the stuff I was looking for. My brother found one little thing, a capacitor he needed, and that was it. That's all there was. So anyhow, of course I picked up nothing. I got enough stuff here anyway, but I went along with him to see what it was like. And so yeah, just take a look at the video and my walking around. So there's no tripod, so we're probably gonna be a little bouncy, whatever. I haven't even looked at it yet myself. So anyhow, just take a look and we'll go from there. And what do you think, Chubby? Chubby says nothing. He says, I gotta go see the cats. Go see the kitties. Whee! I'm not kidding about that, he did. Look. Surprise. Okay. Wow.
Yeah. No,
oh yeah, that's good.
Whenever this came to the extended, it was like, came to about like that. And,
that was the one for 109, right? $1, yeah, because there are different
here we are.
steps of $109.
yeah, the keyer is the only thing that doesn't work. Crap. The keyer that's built into it.
I can see that in the back of the truck.
It's like
wow, the sunlight's terrible. Right into the sun. Oh, look at that sun washing everything out.
Your first card for the first minute is good. After that, all of a sudden, oh no, I didn't make the last one. It's trying to, it's not catching it. It's not either scanning fast enough or yeah. I'll take a peek at
oh yes.
What do you ask for this guy?
It's always a gold mine somewhere, right?
That's got all of everything.
Yeah. So, Tektronix probe.
Dude, that's good.
Manual.
You can get a calibration screwdriver in there.
A few of them.
Woo! Hey guys, how you doing?
Got another one.
See you again, man.
You too.
Now what are these? These are HP?
That's good. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, more probes.
You said, what do you say, 30 bucks?
Yeah.
I'll give you 30 bucks.
There you go. I met you the other day, right? You
Yeah, yeah, down at Hammond.
Probes everything.
This is the new 930 modification.
Wow.
How about that?
That really is a tight fit. That looks great.
Just finished this week, so getting 930s in.
The problem
you
is the
can
sun
make
is
a lot
just
of money by
murdered
yanking that.
on my videos here.
Wow. And
But more stuff, alignment
this works
technology.
differently. See this right here?
A little heavy,
All
huh?
you do is cut the wires from the
It's
existing
hooked up back there.
Our
Actually.
board has wires on it of the same color.
What's this?
That's it.
Do not remove from cart. Oh, somebody remove it from the cart. Yeah, see? That's why you don't remove it from the cart. They're empty. Did you find anything else?
Tell you why.
A lot of empty cases.
There's a couple of serious.
Well, something's in there.
Just think about this. The
How much?
fuse in this radio is on the neutral
Uh-oh.
side.
That's close. Well, that's one way to get in, I guess. Jeez. Well, not real big here today. But it's something. I'm going to go over here. Let's see, what else can we not live without over here? It's always something you can't live without, right? Now, okay, you got a vice for 95 bucks. How about that? 1,000 feet, huh?
Yeah, I used that up at Tahoe years ago for field day. We swung it across this gully.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it worked just like the books, right off the end.
Jeez.
Everyone off of the end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we used a big old Johnson tuner on it. When in doubt,
Yep.
put it have another 2,000 feet of it. Oh, that's old telephone wire.
Old telephone wire, yeah. Yeah.
That's the only kind of wire I can keep up at my place.
Really?
Regular wire lasts about 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to. I get the wind off the mountains. And I string everything up on the trees. I'd put counterweights and all that, thinking it would help. Like I said, a couple of years.
Doesn't last. Yeah.
I even had a 17 meter, which is very short antenna.
Oh, yeah.
2 years.
Wow. Well, looks like there's a few people here. It's not really as big as I thought it was going to be, though.
Oh yeah, field
Not as many people here.
I love it. You've always got the good ones. I think I got one from you one time.
People are still setting up, though.
Which was, it comes in handy in this day and age.
What do you think, Ron?
Mike, do you have anything to say to the crowd?
Say something.
Oh.
Hey, I've seen that guy before. Where did I see him? Oh, I know. I saw him over Hammond Hi-Fi. That's what it was.
We'll come back to you when your meds kick in. For now, how about you, Larry? You got anything to say?
Oh, not at the time. This time, maybe later.
Yeah, you got the SX28 Alpha. And,
Yes,
and your
yes.
brother got the dissertation and everything you wanted to know from Henry.
Yes, pretty much.
You're listening in. You got all the info.
Now that's a classic. There you go.
The TRS.
Yeah.
Compact, yeah.
This was my first hand-me-down computer in my workplace.
Your first hand-me-down computer.
We're giving this to you. You can do a magic thing. Email. And here's your dial-up modem.
There you are.
How do we do it? We go on CompuServe and open up an account.
That's it.
Oh no, actually that was on GTE and they invented Apple.
Oh,
I
geez.
mean, fuck, geez, that was like.
Wow.
Hey, tell you what, everything's free. No, this isn't my table.
Yeah. This ain't my table.
Good honey.
Oh yeah.
You need those tech manuals.
Grenades
And pyrotechnics.
and pirate.
I was in bomb disposal for years, so I had a lot
Yeah.
of those manuals.
Half of my.
There we go. I got it. Never know when this thing's gonna record.
I wasn't even smiling.
Smile.
Yeah. Did you find anything you couldn't find in Hawaii?
No. I know the weather's a lot warmer over there.
Yeah, we took a sudden change for the worse.
I'm telling you.
It wasn't real good, was it?
Yeah, we got some rain,
Well, at least it isn't snowing. That's one good thing. That's the only thing I hated. I really hated when I fell in my driveway shoveling snow 3 years ago and had 4 tears in my retina. So wasn't too swift. Yeah.
I don't need any sales resistance at all today.
Well, should I use my finger and test one of these capacitors out? No, I don't think I want to do that.
What's
going on? Yeah. Don't take a photograph.
Oh yeah, I gotta take a photograph. Well, yeah,
You gotta buy them.
Well, I'm gonna take a photograph as I stick my finger over here, see if he's charged up.
And then the rest of us will see how well you glow.
Yeah. Let me take a picture while you're testing caps. Yeah.
They're all fully charged last night.
You know, 'cause I'm taking pictures of my feet. That was good. I was just taking a picture of my feet. That's good. Oh, hey, I got something looks like that.
And a bear and a raccoon. The raccoon's playing drums. The bear's
This is a trailer where you say, make an offer on anything.
It's a miracle considering this.
There it is right there. And more stuff. And more stuff. And what on earth? It's a Singer.
Oh, that's a service monitor.
Service monitor, yeah. And there's more stuff. Spectrum analyzers.
A whole set of them.
Whole set of them.
Cheap. Buy them all, so
Yeah.
If they're a little bit taller, you can make a desk out of them. I can get one here, one here.
Yeah.
Ron, right here's your stuff.
Yeah.
And
You're not putting all that crap on the second floor, are you?
I got, yeah.
Have you put any support? Have you doubled up those cisterns, those joists?
Yeah, the system of floor joists, yeah.
Yeah.
I can probably
if
load
you
Yeah.
want everything in the trailer, we'll just pull up the lift gate and take
Not
it.
me.
In a
I don't
forklift?
want it.
Yeah.
It took me a year and a half to sell my dad's pile like that.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what a lot of this stuff is. This is a gentleman
Well, when
who's
my
just,
father
you know,
passed, I had a garage full. I had more
yeah.
stuff out.
That's the thing. I mean,
And I have my own pile of junk. I didn't need
oh, yeah.
his.
Yeah. We had dad's stuff too. We had tons of stuff.
It was like, yeah.
Yeah.
The curse of the legacy.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a PG&E comp shop.
Yeah.
Bet the same year goods, I'm telling you.
It says works well. Okay. What on earth is a Watkins? Okay. All right. I have no idea.
Make a deal on this stuff, Mike.
Okay. I give up. What are they?
Low noise amplifier.
It's a low noise amplifier. There it is from the front. Okay. Oh man, I'm going to be editing for a month. Well, yeah, I can see he's definitely got overload. Oh, look at the tube.
Because there's nowhere to hide the body with all the stuff.
Okay. So, hey, what's that? Oh. Those are the tubes you can't live without.
Those are all dead tubes.
Those are all the dead ones, yeah.
And you're welcome
Display only.
to one. You're welcome to one or two if you want. That's why I brought them out here. People like them.
Well, yeah, you can use it for a display or whatever.
yourself
I mean,
if
you
you
don't have to go ahead and have them working. I
Those
mean,
are working.
but these are all working.
Yes, those
Yeah.
have been tested by me recently.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you definitely have a overload problem.
This is just the stuff I wanted to bring down here.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah.
I have to admit that.
Yeah, I've run into some people that says, "Oh, well, this is only one of the storage lockers."
And I'm down from 5 to 1 now.
Oh, jeez.
Years ago, at the height of madness, I had 5 10x30s, and now
Wow.
it's just 1.
I'll get my thing recording. All right, there's one, the R388, we're calling. And that's a 75A2, and I have a 75A3. So.
How much you need for your soldering iron?
Oh, yes. And the rest of it. Oh, wheel or wheel. Oh, yeah, there's stuff everywhere. It just keeps going and going and going. Actually, this is not really that big today. Yeah, Ron's standing around the meters. Okay.
I think there's got to be something here I can't live
More
with.
meters. Well, I guess if I were in the market for a meter, this would be the place to be.
R5 tuning cap.
Oh. Tuning cap? Oh, okay.
But
You found something you can't live without again.
mine was missing
Yeah.
these little glass beads.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember you said. Yeah, yeah.
$2.
$2. What's that, a reflected watt meter or something?
Because I'll need it to fix the other one.
Oh.
If I want to fix it.
Oh, I guess so,
It
huh?
was parts. It was one I already converted to a VFO, but
Yeah. Oh, well, let's see. Do we go over here? Well. It
There's stuff everywhere. Okay, more people still coming. Looks like. Alright, well. It just keeps going. More people keep coming.